Hello everybody, my name is Stefan Hein and I'm a product manager at Mitutoyo Europe in charge of small tools, data management hardware and calibration items. And today I would like to show you how to choose the right micrometer head for any job. Micrometer heads are common measuring, feeding and positioning devices to be mounted on measuring instruments and precision machines. Mitutoyo provides more than 250 digital and analog micrometer heads as standard products and is also able to provide custom-made ones for special applications. Concrete application examples are cross-travel stages on laser instruments and manipulators, X and Y tables in measuring microscopes or hardness testing machines, calibration equipment, and adjustment devices in manufacturing machines. Here are some characteristics to choose the right micrometer head for a certain application. The stem used to mount a micrometer head is classified as a plain stem or clamp nut type. The clamp nut stem allows fast and secure clamping of the micrometer head. Whereas a plain stem has the advantage of wider application and slight positional adjustment in the axial direction on final installation. Although it does require a split fixture clamping arrangement or adhesive fixing. A flat measuring face is often required where a micrometer head is used in measurement applications. However, when a micrometer head is used as a feed device, a spherical face can minimize error due to misalignment. And a non-rotating spindle-type micrometer head can be used if a twisting action on the contact point must be avoided. When choosing a measuring range for a micrometer head, you must always allow for an adequate margin in consideration of the expected measuring stroke. When choosing micrometer heads, there are 6 stroke ranges between 5 and 50 mm available. If a micrometer head is used as a stop, it is desirable to use a head fitted with a spindle lock, so that the setting will not change even under repeated shock loading. Mitutoyo provides 2 types to choose from: the locking ring type or the locking screw type. The standard type head has a 0.5 mm pitch, but a 1 mm pitch type is quicker to set than a standard type and avoids the possibility of a 0.5 mm reading error. And for ultra-fine feed or ultra-fine positioning applications, 0.25 mm or 0.1 mm pitch type is the best to use. Mitutoyo is able to provide a micrometer head with a 0.1 mm spindle pitch, something that is unique on the market. One thing that greatly affects the usability and the fineness of positioning is the diameter of a thimble. A small diameter thimble allows for quicker positioning, whereas a large diameter thimble allows fine positioning and easy reading of the graduations. A micrometer head fitted with a constant force device is recommended for measurement applications. However, if using a micrometer head as a stop purely for positioning or where saving space is a priority, a head without a ratchet is probably the best choice. And the final thing to look at when choosing the correct micrometer head is a graduation style. The normal graduation style is the standard. For this style, the reading increases as the spindle retracts into the body. And for the other type, in the reverse graduation style, the reading increases as the spindle advances out of the body. As there is a large amount between standard micrometer heads and even the possibility to order custom ones, I hope this video helps you to select the right micrometer head for your application. And if you have any questions, please always contact your local Mitutoyo. Thank you for watching, and please click the subscribe and notification button below this video to stay informed about your favorite Mitutoyo devices and measuring tips and tricks. See you next time.